Hey everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Poppy Willow Company that I want to show. So let's see what is in here. So I am a PR gal for Poppy Willow Company and she makes the most beautiful foiled stickers I think that are available. She does an amazing job with her foiling and I have PR'd for her for a little while now and I have really enjoyed it. She is super sweet, super kind, and like I said, she does a fabulous job. So if I weren't a PR gal for her, I would still purchase from her. So I want you guys to feel comfortable in purchasing from her because I would not do it if I didn't really like it. And this is, so if you put TT.Scraps at 15 in, you will get 15% off and you will get this free sheet, which she does change periodically and it's really pretty. So let's see, the first one I have here is called Sophie. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it has a wonderful saying. It says, "What if I fail? Oh, but darling, what if you fly?" Isn't that beautiful? And it has some gold foiling. I think it's gold. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell, but I'm pretty sure, yes, that's gold foiling. And it is just gorgeous. And the washi. So this is a whole page of different washies. And this is a whole page of full boxes. And these are the number stickers. Here are half boxes and some quarter boxes. These are the days of the week. I mean, her kits are huge. And some functionals and then some little flags. Oh my goodness. And then here is a whole page of headers. They say to do today littles, which is really cute. And then here is a full page of maybe decorative and full boxes and I mean it's just everything, just a mismatch of everything, a little bit of everything I guess. And then here's a full page of checklists. So her kits are massive. They work for several weeks. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages plus a sheet of numbers. So you get your money's worth with her kits. She makes sure that you have enough to do at least 2 weeks. There's another number sheet. This one is called Mabel. Looks like she named them people names this time, which is really cute. And there's a little girl and a bike and a hat. Oh, it's beautiful. And here's the washi and the half boxes. These are beautiful colors. Hopefully it's showing up. It's like navy and browns, like tans, khakis maybe, and a beautiful navy. And the headers. And the functional, and then the check boxes. And then it also looks like this is a monthly Mabel. So on the monthlies, you get a set of all of the dates, and then you get like rescheduled, remember, shopping to do. It might be hard to read, but it's not so hard in person. Date night, me time, happy mail, to clean. These are all bills due. These are all paydays, and they're little flags. And then also with the monthly kit, you get washi for the month and some functionals for the month. And these are full and half boxes, and again washi so that you can put some on the top, on the bottom. If the month, you know, is missing a few days, these are all trimmed so that you can cut them, or not cut them, but you can use them as you need. If you want to put 2 together, you can. If you want to put 3 together, if you just need 1, whatever you want to do to cover up the dates of the month that aren't there. And the reason she does that is she makes sure that her kits are good for whatever month you want to use them on, which I think is super smart, and I love it. And these are nice little, you know, you can put things that you have to do for the month or whatever. And this is how she does that too. She does, every month is listed here, so you can just use it for whatever month you need it, and then the days of the week. So it's fabulous. So there's a monthly kit for Mabel as well as the weekly kit for Mabel. And then this one is Narcissus. And I'm unfamiliar with the spelling of that word, so I'm hoping that I'm saying that right. Narcissus, I think so. So there's the days of the week, or the days of the month, and then Hello Spring with the daffodils. That is beautiful. And here's the washi page, and the half boxes and quarter boxes, the dates, the days and the functionals, the headers, the miscellaneous, and then the check boxes. So these are really beautiful. She does such a great job, and I really do hope that you guys check her out, because I really think these are the prettiest foiled stickers I've ever seen. And I love how she does her month. I think it's super smart to do it that way, because then, like I said, you can just use it whenever you feel like you need to use it, whatever month you want to put it on. It doesn't matter if it's the same, if it's, you know how some of them, it really matters if you can't put it where you maybe want to put it because it's a different lineup. And this way she has it so you can line it up however you want. And then she gave me the full kit of the Mabel as well, which is just gorgeous. I'm trying to put the full box page out so you guys can see that. And then the full set of the Sophie, which is just gorgeous. And then, of course, my sampler sheet. I don't even know which one would be my favorite this month. I love the colors of this. I love this saying, and I love the daffodils. So she nailed it for me. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys check her store out. I will link it below, and again, use TT.Scraps 15 to save yourself some money. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.